Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to use the Honey app on Android in 2025. If you're all about saving money while shopping online, this app is a game changer. Honey automatically finds and applies coupon codes for you, and with the 2025 updates, it's even smarter with AI-driven deal suggestions. Let's get started. First things first, you need to download the Honey app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Honey by PayPal. That's right, it's now integrated with PayPal for seamless payments. Tap Install, and once it's downloaded, open the app. If you don't have an account, sign up quickly with your email or link it to your Google account. It's free and takes less than a minute. Now, let's explore the main interface. You'll see a home screen with trending deals and your saved coupons. To use it for shopping, browse your favorite stores directly in the app or activate the browser extension if you have it. When you're on a shopping site, tap the Honey button. It scans for available discounts and auto-applies the best one at checkout. In 2025, look for the new Smart Search feature, which uses AI to predict deals based on your shopping history, making it easier to find personalized savings. A few pro tips. Always check the drop list for price drops on items you want, and enable notifications so you never miss a flash sale. Remember, Honey works on thousands of sites like Amazon and Walmart, but results may vary by region. There you have it. Using Honey on Android is straightforward and can save you a ton of cash. Give it a try on your next online shopping spree. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.